morning, students. You are most welcome in this session. Today I am going to solve exercise 50. This is like and unlike fraction. It is the part of fraction. Okay. Today we will learn what is the like and what is unlike fraction. Okay. Then we will learn to convert unlike into like fraction. First we read about that like fraction. What is the like fraction? The fractions which have same denominators is called like fractions. Suppose that 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 or 4 upon 3. These are the like fraction because having same denominators. Okay, and another example I give that like fraction when the denominators are equal. Denominators are equal. Okay. Suppose that 7 upon 2 or 3 upon 2 or 1 upon 2 having same denominators 2, 2, 2. That's why it is like fraction. Okay. Now unlike fraction. The fractions which denominators are unequal, just opposite, unequal. 3 upon 4, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 6 or 7. These are the denominators are not equal. That's why it is says unlike fraction. What is it? Unlike fraction. In like fractions, the denominators are equal, or if you can say that equal means if the denominator is 8, also this is 8 or 2 upon 8. These are the like fractions. Okay, and the denominator, where the denominators are unequal, this is called unlike fraction. Okay, so now convert unlike into like fraction. How we can convert? Example given that 2 upon 3, okay, 3 upon 9 or another 4 upon 9 or 5 upon 12. Okay, this is the unlike fraction. Unlike fraction when denominators are unequal, not equal. So this is unlike fraction. How we can convert this one into like fraction? So first work you will take the LCM of denominators. You will have to find the LCM of denominators. 3, 9 and 12. You have to find out the LCM first. Okay. And second work that first we will find that LCM 36, the LCM. Second work that you will convert all the fraction into like fraction. Like fraction you have to change. Like fraction means the denominators, you have to make the denominators 36 at any rate. 36 you have to multiply 12 Also here 4 and 3 by 3. Okay, now the fraction 24 upon 36, 16 upon 36, and this is 15 upon 36. This is called like fraction. This is unlike fraction. Given unlike fraction, we have changed into like fraction. Okay, first work, find the LCM and make all the denominators with this 36, then make all the denominators 36, 36, 36. Okay, so you will get like decimal. Okay, now third thing, we have to comparing two fractions which is greater. Okay, first theoretical part. Suppose that one fraction is given a upon b, another given c upon d. Which is greater, this one or this one, or which this or equal to? Okay, so we don't know which is greater or is smaller. So first we will take the cross product. What is cross product? A into d and b into c. If AD is greater than B into C, BC, then this part A upon B will be greater than C upon D. Okay. Second case, if AD is less than BC, then A upon B would be less than C upon D. Okay. Now third, if AD equals BC, then both fraction will be equal. Okay, this is theoretical part. We will use to solve the example. Okay, now we see the examples. Now I solved the exercise 5D. Second number, first number question given like, define the like and unlike fraction. Okay, so you can write that one. Now second number, convert these fractions into like fraction. Just I had solved one example. Now first work that find the LCM of the denominators. LCM 5, 10, 15 and 13. The LCM of this you can divide by 2 first. Now by 5 and then by 3. Then LCM would be 2 into 5 into 3, that is 30. What is the LCM? 30 would be the LCM. Now convert. Now the fractions 3 upon 5, one is 7 upon 10, 8 upon 15 and 11 upon 30. Okay, change all the denominators into 30. 3, 5 multiply by which table you will get 30, 5 6 are 30. 10 multiply by 3, we will get 30, 8 and 15 multiply by 2, we will get, and this is same, so we will need that. Now 18 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 16 upon 30, 11 upon 30. This is the answer. These are the like fractions. Okay. First work, you will take the LCM and then you have to convert all the denominators same for multiplying with the numbers up. Okay. 30 that LCM, then you have to convert all the denominators into 30. Now fill in the placeholders with the symbol greater than or less than. Okay, just I had solved one example that to compare first you have to multiply, you have just I have sent that A upon B, C upon D. If you multiply with AD is greater than AB would be greater, or if AB is less, AD is less than BC, then this will be. So now we will take the cross product 5 multiply, taking cross product 5 multiply 8 and then 12 multiply 5 and this is 60. So which one is greater? So BC is greater, so we will put this symbol. So 5 upon 12 is less than 5 upon 8. Okay, so we have to put this type of symbol. Okay, now here same question given, compare which is greater or which is smaller. So now solution 7 upon 8 and 9 upon 10, taking cross product 7 multiply 10 and 8 multiply 9, this is 70 and this is 9 8 72. Which is greater? This part is greater, so we will write 7 upon 8 is less than 9 upon 10. Okay, this is the comparison. I hope you got it. Now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.